Welcome back to the Crazy Worm Lady.
Do you want to check on our cocoons with us?
Do you want to check out our cocoons and our wormies?
Hopefully we'll find some wormies, that's for sure. All right, this is our cocoon bin that we started, I don't know, about a week ago. There's a little bit of hairy mold in here, probably my fault. I added a little bit of watermelon pieces in here. All right, let's see. Let's dump this out. We had about 12-ish.
Mom, is this a cocoon? Oh no.
No, that's not a cocoon. That's just a piece of dirt. You can see this mold where I put that little piece of watermelon down there. It was the tiniest little sliver, but it was enough to make it grow mold because we probably don't have wormies just yet. However, you can see one of our cocoons here. There's one getting really dark over here, as well as one over here. There's one that's still pretty yellow by my thumb right here.
Wait, Mom, where's the wormies?
Oh, wait a second. Is that a worm? Did we have a wormy hatch? Is that a worm? No, I don't think so. I think that might just be...
It's a worm.
No, it's just a piece of the cardboard. I thought it was, though. It looked like one for a second. It looked like the tiniest little baby. Let's look through, though, for a second and see if we can find anything. Because the babies, when they're born, are so teeny tiny, you could easily overlook them. You see one of the cocoons right here. Right
Yeah.
there, yeah, right there by my thumb. Do you see any wormies? I'm not seeing any baby worms. There's another cocoon.
I'll pick one up.
You can pick one up very carefully, though. We gotta take care of them, right? Because they're very, very fragile. There's one right here. So all these cocoons seem to be maturing really well. They look healthy. They're getting darker. A lot of them were very yellow last week.
I think we can
So we are going to put these guys back into their little sour cream jar. And we're gonna let it go for a few more days, and then we'll come back and check, see if we are starting to get babies born.
Mama, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.